Hello, in this example we are going to look at calculating the Universal Social Charge, or the USC, on a week 1/temporary basis. In this example, the rate of pay is gross €800 per week. So just to remind us of the actual USC rates, the first €193 is at rate 1, which is 2%, and it's the next amount up to €308 that's going to be at 4%. So really, if somebody is earning in excess of 308, it's the next amount, so it's the difference between 308 and 193, which should come to 115, and that's the amount that's going to be calculated at 4%, and then anything in excess of €308 will be calculated at 7%. So before we start, just looking at this example, because the gross pay of €800 is in excess of 308, we know straight away that a portion of this gross pay will be liable to the 7% charge. So my first cut-off point is €193. So I'm going to have €193 liable to 2%, which comes to €3.86. It's actually the next amount up to €308. So that's going to be my next €115 is going to be liable to 4%. So 4% of €115 is €4.60. So to date, I have €193 at 2%, €115 at 4%, which brings me up to 308. So it's the amount then in excess of 308 that's going to be liable to the 7%. So my gross pay is €800 less my 308, so that gives me €492 that's going to be liable at 7%, and 7% is €34.44. So in week 10 my total USC deduction is going to be $42.90. Because this is on a week 1 basis, weeks 11, 12 and 13 are going to be calculated in the exact same way. €193 at 2% giving me $3.86. The next €115 is going to be at 4%, giving me $4.60, and the balance of 492 is going to be at 7%, giving me $34.44, and so on each week.